Do you know that untreated sleep apnea can increase your chances of early death by up to 3 times? It's not just about sleep. Sleep apnea impacts your heart, your mental health, and ultimately your life.
At Remis Sleep, we offer India's first at-home wireless sleep study. No hospital visits, just a simple, comfortable but powerful way to understand your condition. Our detailed report helps create a personalized plan to manage your sleep apnea effectively.
In just 15 days, over 90% of our patients have noticed significant improvements. Over 2,100 patients have taken complete control of their sleep and their overall health. Don't risk your health. Book your sleep study now. Take the first step towards a better sleep and a healthier life.